Today, I am reviewing the TIBURN INSPUR 65-inch Ultra 4K UHD Smart Board. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Upgrading a professional workspace or a modern classroom often feels like a balancing act between choosing powerful hardware and finding software that actually plays nice with your team. After putting the TIBURN INSPUR 65-inch Ultra 4K Smart Board through its paces, I can confidently say this is not just another oversized television mounted to a wall. It is a sophisticated, dual-engine powerhouse that effectively replaces about 6 different pieces of office equipment. The standout feature that immediately separates the TIBURN from cheaper alternatives is the dual operating system architecture. Most smartboards force you to choose between a limited mobile-style interface or a clunky external computer connection. This unit comes with a built-in mini PC running a full version of Windows 11 Pro alongside Android 13. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor and 16 GB of RAM, it handles heavy lifting that would crash a standard interactive display. I tested it with resource-heavy applications like AutoCAD and SolidWorks, and the performance was remarkably fluid. Being able to toggle from a collaborative Android whiteboard session directly into a Windows-based engineering simulation or a Figma design review without switching cables is a massive boost to workflow efficiency. The visual experience is another area where this board excels. Moving from a traditional projector to a 4K UHD panel is like stepping into a different decade. The clarity is sharp enough that fine text in complex spreadsheets remains perfectly legible even from the back of a large conference room. One subtle but brilliant feature is the automatic light sensation system. It detects the ambient light in the room and adjusts the screen brightness accordingly. This means you no longer have to dim the lights and sit in a dark room just to see a presentation clearly. Whether it is midday sun streaming through windows or a late-night brainstorming session under fluorescent lights, the screen remains easy on the eyes and consistently vibrant. Interactivity is where the TIBURN really earns its keep. The touch response is instantaneous, and the included pens feel natural against the glass. The annotation software is built into the Android layer, but it acts as a transparent overlay. This allows you to draw, highlight, or take notes over anything currently displayed on the Windows side. If you are showing a live website or a 3D model, you can freeze the frame, mark it up, and save the annotated file directly to the cloud. For collaborative work, the wireless casting is a game changer. It supports up to 4 users casting their screens simultaneously. In a classroom setting, this allows a teacher to compare work from 4 different students side by side, or in a corporate environment, it lets multiple departments present data concurrently for real-time comparison. The audio and video hardware are surprisingly high-end for an all-in-one unit. Most built-in webcams on large displays feel like an afterthought, but the TIBURN features an auto-framing camera that actually tracks the speaker. When paired with the 8-line array microphone, the remote conferencing experience is significantly improved. The microphones are excellent at filtering out background noise and focusing on the person speaking, which is essential for hybrid meetings where half the team is joining via Microsoft Teams or Zoom. You don't have to huddle around the screen to be heard. The array picks up clear audio from across the room. Connectivity is robust, supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second. This ensures that when you are downloading large project files from Dropbox or streaming high-definition video content, there is zero stutter or lag. The 256 GB solid-state drive provides plenty of local storage for essential apps, though the integration with Google Suite and Microsoft 365 makes cloud-based work the path of least resistance. In terms of physical setup, TIBURN has made the process straightforward by including the wall mount in the box. This is an all-in-one design in the truest sense, integrating a projector, whiteboard, computer, television, kiosk, and audio system into a single sleek frame. While the initial investment might seem higher than a basic display, you have to consider that you are essentially purchasing a high-performance Windows PC and a professional-grade conferencing system along with a 4K panel. For any organization looking to modernize their collaboration space, the TIBURN INSPUR 65-inch is a reliable, high-performance solution that eliminates the friction between different pieces of technology and lets the team focus on the work itself.